if you decided to go Saudi or Singapore countries through Nepal, means first step what we have to do, we have to go Nepal. Which city we have to go? We have to go Kathmandu. This is the capital of Nepal. And then how we have to go? Why I am asking this question means Nepal we can go by road also, but we should not go by road. We must go by flight only. Okay, then second, what is required to go Nepal? First one is passport. Second one is PCR test report with negative certificate. And this PCR test should be 72 hours valid. And then national ID number. National ID number means not our Indian national ID number. This is we have to register our data in this ccmc.government.np website, and then they will give if you all correct means they will generate one barcode and one ID number. This one we have to take screenshot or take print out. And one more, why I am saying passport we need to go Nepal. We can use instead of passport voter ID or Aadhaar card also to go Nepal, but we must use passport only. Why? Because in your NOC section, while you are going for NOC in Indian embassy, they will ask you passport exit stamp from India and entry stamp in this Kathmandu. Next about NOC. First question is what is NOC? NOC is non-objection certificate. And second question is why NOC? Because while going from India to Nepal, we are not doing immigration in the airport. By using voter ID or Aadhaar card also we can go Nepal. So in the airport they will make one departure stamp in the passport departed, but it is not the actual immigration. So we need to go actual immigration from the Kathmandu only. So they will register your details in the Kathmandu as a Indian citizen. Also, it is using one more purpose. NOC another purpose is any of Indian citizen who made crime in the India and do not escape through Nepal. That is another reason we need to get NOC from Nepal. If anyone, some peoples make a crime and any culprits should not escape through Nepal. That is why we are getting NOC. And then third question is where we can get this NOC. For NOC we have to go Indian embassy available in Kathmandu. There only we can get the NOC. There is no other option. These are the documents we need to provide to get NOC from Indian embassy. First one is e-comma copy, then exit re-entry copy, then passport copy, then passport size photo. It need 2 photos, and a PCR test report. PCR test report, it is old test report. When you coming from India, that time you take that one. And another one is hotel booking receipt. You are staying 14 days in any one of the hotel, so you must submit the hotel booking receipt. Also embassy fees. Embassy fees is 1020 Nepal rupees. And departure stamp in passport means if you come from India or any other country, you will get a departure stamp in your passport as well as entry stamp in Nepal. This also we need to provide the Xerox copy, means photo copy. And another one is flight ticket for Saudi, which airlines, which date you are going to. This is the proof of which date you are going. This is a flight ticket. And embassy application form, it will be provided inside the embassy free of cost. And another one is flight ticket from India. This one is why we need flight ticket. Which date you came to the Nepal, means how many days you are staying, means which is your starting date to from the Nepal, so that it is checking the flight ticket from the India. And the last one is ID proof of the passport. other than passport. ID proof, this we need to give the ID proof, driving license, Aadhaar card, voter ID, like this we need to submit in the embassy gate, inside the embassy second gate, and then only after getting they will give visitor ID, then we can use the visitor ID, we can go inside. Some people today I saw they given Saudi proof also, like a Saudi driving license, someone given Ikama also. So if you have any Indian proof you have to give, otherwise you have to give any other proof. And when you return from that inside, and you can collect and given the return back the ID card of the embassy. After pay the embassy fees 1020, they will give the acknowledgement, and then they will inform you that time when you can collect the NOC. Immediately they will not give. If you example 18th is my flight, today I pay the fees and got the acknowledgement, and they told tomorrow 3 o'clock need to collect the NOC. So tomorrow I need to go again. This yeah, today immediately I am making video because I saw many people asking me outside the embassy what is the document required and what is the procedure, so that I am immediately making this video to useful for Saudi people who is going through Nepal. Also, if you want to collect you want to make the NOC, means you have to go early morning 6 o'clock and need to stand in a line, because now many people going uh, through Nepal, so embassy is crowded. We have to go early morning 6 o'clock, and then we have to go embassy last 4 days of your quarantine period, means you are before 4 days of your departure date, and then only they will give. If you go early they will refuse to give NOC. Already this video I made separately for NOC only. I will give the link in the description box also, and we will see the advantages of going through Nepal. First one is no visa required. For Indian passport holders, no need visa to reach Nepal. And the second one is low cost. Compared to other country, Nepal is lower price. And then third one is no quarantine required. If you go Bahrain, Oman and other countries, you should not come outside at least 7 days. But in Nepal, you can go outside and you will be feel free. And the fourth one is Nepal is tourist place. Inside Kathmandu only we have many tourist places, so we can go and enjoy the tourist places in Nepal. And the fifth one is food. Nepal food is similar to North Indian food, so there is no food issue also in the Nepal. And the last one is language. In Nepali people all will speak Hindi, so there is no confusion about the languages. You can easily talk with the Hindi. These all are the advantages going through the Nepal. These facilities will not in other countries. If you go other countries, you cannot get these facilities. And finally we will see the disadvantages of going through Nepal. The only disadvantage is getting NOC from the embassy. Before I told you, many people going nowadays through Nepal, so all the people will come to take NOC, right? So we have to go early morning and we need to stand with the line. This is the only disadvantage of going through Nepal. At anyway we will get the NOC, no issue in the NOC, but this I think this is the only disadvantage. Thank you for watching. Any doubt you can comment in the comment box.